हेलो एंड वेलकम वेलकम टू द डेली निफ्टी एंड बैंक निफ्टी इनसाइट्स विद एमजे फ्रेंड्स। आज है 4th नवंबर एंड we'll be estimating the probable moves, resistance and support levels, buying and selling zones in nifty and bank nifty for the next trading day. That's on 5th November. Now 5th November is a Thursday and that's a special day because tomorrow we have a weekly expiry of index options of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Well, friends, if you are new to our YouTube channel, do subscribe to YouTube. You do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon such that whenever we upload any video, you get a latest notification. We have many videos here which are on technical and fundamental analysis, and there is a lot of opportunity in these videos to learn stock market trading and investing. Let's look at a daily chart of Nifty and Bank Nifty today, and see what kind of scenario is emerging. Right. So today was a special day. Uh, Otherwise, also because U.S. elections have begun, the counting has already started, and morning you could see that the international markets were up, and that's what uplifted the spirits of our market as well. However, the market had been very volatile, up and down, and there were statements from Joe Biden and Donald Trump as well, and that was reflecting on the markets, right? So if we look at the candlesticks, we saw higher high and higher low making in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. Pharma and IT sectors were the real winners and the leaders of today. Reliance and Infi gained more than 3%, and that's what uplifted the spirit of Nifty. Overall, Nifty gained 95 points and closed at 11,908.5, while as Bank Nifty gained 89 points and closed at 25,777. Right, बैंक निफ्टी ने कल अच्छी खासी लीड ले ली थी फ्रेंड्स, एंड आज थोड़ा शायद रेस्ट किया. Right, overall market breadth positive rate, 33 stocks advanced and 17 stocks declined from Nifty 50 stack. We had estimated 11,600 to 12,000 due to the range of Nifty due to US elections and their probable outcomes. And we knew that the market is going to be volatile. That's what I said in my yesterday's video. So you could see that the market was within the range, and it respected all the support and resistance levels what we had discussed yesterday. Now, if you look from the trend perspective, Nifty as well as Bank Nifty both had been higher high and higher low. So uptrend continues. If you look from a candlestick perspective, Nifty as well as Bank Nifty on daily as well as on weekly made a bullish candles. However, now since Bank Nifty has already moved quite high, you could see that this hanging man pattern is visible here. Generally, hanging man pattern at the top is a bearish pattern. So we'll have to see how things move up, because जैसे जैसे आज सुबह भी अगर आपने देखा होगा तो काफी प्रॉफिट बुकिंग हुई बैंकिंग सेक्टर में, स्पेशली एसबीआई में, आईसीआईसीआई में एंड एक्सिस बैंक में. राइट, सो ऐसा सिनेरियो वापस भी देखने को हमको मिल सकता है. ऑल्सो इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन व्हाट काइंड ऑफ आउटकम वी गेट फ्रॉम द US election. From the price action perspective, friends, if you see Nifty closely on the lower side, you would see if Nifty slips downside, 11,835, 11,780, 11,756, and 11,723 are four level of supports we have. On the upper side, 11,929, 11,975, 12,025, and 12,071 seem to be four probable resistance levels on upper side. Right, so let's jot it down such that कल के लिए मैं उम्मीद कर रहा हूं कि मार्केट थोड़ा वोलेटाइल रहेगी फ्रेंड्स. अभी भी इंटरनेशनल मार्केट्स ऑल्दो थोड़ा आज अप हैं, बट कह नहीं सकते कि हाउ इट विल play tomorrow. Right, 723 to 12,071 could be the price action range for Nifty. Let's look at what kind of range is emerging in Bank Nifty. On the Bank Nifty, friends, you could see that on the lower side, 25,671, 25,540, 25,358, and 25,100 146. These are the four ranges downside, and अगर ये टूटते हैं तो 25,025. So 25,025 on downside, and upside में 25,923, 26,234, 26,488. So more or less जो कल की रेंज थी हमारी बैंक निफ्टी में more or less वही रेंज दिख रही है. Of course, we will be matching this range whether from data points the same range is emerging or is something else on bank nifty before we look at the intraday trading opportunities, right? Now अगर हम option chain में देखें friends, आज uh, of course we are looking at 5th November expiry option chain, right? So 5th November की जो हमारे पास में एटीएम है, एटीएम इज एट 11,900 पे हमारा एटीएम है फ्रेंड्स. 11,900 के एटीएम के आसपास में अगर हम पुट की राइटिंग देखें तो अच्छी खासी 11,900 पुट राइटिंग हुई है. हायर लेवल पे पुट राइटिंग नहीं हुई है. 11,900 पे हमारा 1 मिलियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स है, दैट इज गोइंग टू वर्क एज अ सपोर्ट 1. 11,800 विल वर्क एज अ सपोर्ट 2. पुट राइटिंग ठीक ठाक हुई है. 11,700 पे 6.5 lakh contracts की overall put writing हुई, so that will act as a support 3. So I can say that 11,700 seems to be good support, and that's where maximum OI is also there, right? Now अगर हम कॉल साइड में देखें फ्रेंड्स तो 11,900 पे अच्छी खासी कॉल राइटिंग हुई है, ऑलमोस्ट 4.2 lakhs की, एंड 1.6 million contracts हैं. So this will work as a R1 अगर मार्केट थोड़ा भी नीचे जाती है. Of course as of now तो मार्केट 8 पॉइंट इसके ऊपर है, but we'll still consider this part of this strike as a resistance. इसके नीचे काफी अनवाइंडिंग हुई है. It seems that bears have lost a little hope, so that is unwinding, you could see that. And इसके ऊपर फ्रेंड्स 12,000 के लेवल पे you could see that although not much of call writing has happened, but overall open interest अच्छा खासा है, 2.2 million contracts का, and that seems to be maximum OI on this series. उसके ऊपर देखते हैं तो 12,100 पे ठीक ठाक कॉल राइटिंग हुई है. 1.6 million contracts है, that will work as R3, and if that level is broken again, 12,200. So at higher levels you could see a good amount of call writing has happened at 12,300, almost 2.4 million contracts. So again, that's max OI nearby. So that means there are people who are thinking that the market may even zoom up to that extent. However, looking at the last traded price of this option, it seems that 1.5 rupees is a very small premium, so it could be more of a hedging position. So we'll be considering that 12,100 or 12,200 as a range this side, right? So 11,700 say 12,100 or 200 की range हम ले लेंगे. Because of US election, we'll be taking a little wider range here, because अगर थोड़ा भी volatility बढ़ती है, so swing can be in any direction. The option chain, this particular option chain has got a PCR of more than 1, so it has a neutral to positive bias, friends. That's what is seeming to be here. So what range we saw from price action perspective, 11,700 to 12,071 की यहाँ पे. So more or less 11,700 से 12,100 की range हमको निफ्टी में यहाँ पे दिखाई दे रही है, और वैसे ही बैंक निफ्टी में भी, right? So let's go to international markets and see what kind of scenario is emerging before we get into the intraday trading opportunities, right? So the first index we look at is a future of Dow Jones, and you could see that Dow Jones is it is trading above 50 days moving average. So last 3 दिन में Dow Jones ने काफी up move दिखाई है, और it's now in a very crucial zone here, right? And यहाँ पे अगर आप MACD देखेंगे तो यहाँ पे ऐसा लग रहा है कि bullish crossover करने की तैयारी है, और RSI is become very, very strong now. So it seems the US markets are already celebrating the stable government, the government upcoming government in US could be at least stable. That's what the markets are showing from its data, right? So यहाँ पे भी आप देख सकते हैं friends, S&P 500 has also shot up above than 50 days moving average, and हम 2 दिन पहले बात कर रहे थे कि almost now 200 दिन का moving average touch करने वाला है, right? So 61% Fibonacci पे इसने support लेके अच्छा up move दिया हुआ है, यहाँ पे भी एक bullish crossover दिखाई दे रहा है. So that's good news for the markets, right? Nasdaq का future अगर हम देखें friends, Nasdaq is also showing similar kind of setup above than 50 days exponential moving average, and it's entered, rather re-entered the ascending channel, right? So apart from US market, you can also see that DAX Germany, that's also showing a sign of recovery. In fact, it's touching now 100 days, 200 days moving average के आसपास में ये पहुंचा, और यहाँ पे भी similar kind of structure दिखाई दे रहा है. So we can say that it seems, as the counting of votes in US is happening, we are reaching closer to a decisive government who could be stable, right? Of course, the statements from both the leaders or would-be leaders could be, you can say that, creating jitter in the market sometimes, but overall, it is a good scenario for investors, right? कल की वीडियो में हमने बात की थी, the US market is already discounting the winning of Democratic leader, who's Joe Biden. So that's what is visible from the charts as well, friends. Now let's look at the kind of scenario in Nifty intraday trades, right? So हमने देखा कि यहाँ पे एक हमको bullish scenario दिखाई दे रहा है इंटरनेशनल मार्केट्स में. सो और हमारे ऑप्शन चेन के डेटा से एज वेल एज ये स्ट्रक्चर से भी ऐसे लग रहा है. ऑफ कोर्स निफ्टी में हैव अ लिमिटेड अपसाइड, बट 15 मिनट के चार्ट में देखते हैं फ्रेंड्स व्हाट काइंड ऑफ सिनेरियो इज इमर्जिंग हियर. सो if you see today's market, it was volatile market. So अगर मार्केट कल 11,929 के ऊपर जाती फ्रेंड्स, तो आप यहाँ पे एक लॉन्ग पोजीशन ले सकते हैं फ्रॉम 11,835 टू 11,929. सो ये पोजीशन, ये 100 पॉइंट का जो मूव है, इसको छोड़ दें. इफ मार्केट गोज बिलो 11,835, you can short it for 11,756 and 11,723 on the lower side. एंड अगर मार्केट 11,929 के ऊपर जाती है फ्रेंड्स, तो 11,975 के लिए पहला टारगेट, 12,025 सेकंड टारगेट, एंड 12,071 थर्ड टारगेट लेके आप अपसाइड में ट्रेड कर सकते हैं. इट कुड गिव यू a good return of 150 points, 100 point to 150 point का आपको यहाँ पे एक अपसाइड में अच्छा मूव मिल सकता है. ओवरऑल बुलिश बायस दिखाई दे रहा है यहाँ पे, राइट? ऑलरेडी ये जोन में, ये लेवल में मार्केट कई बार आ चुकी है. हालांकि इसको 11,975 में अच्छा खासा रेजिस्टेंस मिलने वाला है, राइट? नाउ लेट्स लुक एट बैंक निफ्टी चार्ट, राइट? लेट मी load this chart once again, says that, all right, so we are not seeing right now in Bank Nifty our levels, friends. Let me take it this way and try to reload whether we get our levels here, because a little while back we were getting our levels. Now we are not getting the levels, right? Level देखना बहुत जरूरी है मार्केट में. We get a clarity in that. I hope we get these levels, otherwise we'll have to draw the levels. यहाँ पे हमको बैंक निफ्टी के levels नहीं दिखाई दे रहे फ्रेंड्स. Bank Nifty, let me see whether we can retrieve them. Yes, so we can see that Bank Nifty has now come up with its levels. So let's see 15-minute chart में Bank Nifty किस टाइप का मूव दिखा रही है फ्रेंड्स. So 25,540 से possibly 25,923. So although ये काफी बड़ा band है, but this is a band where Bank Nifty may become volatile. Or let me narrow this band such that it gives you clear idea. narrow करेंगे तो भी प्रॉब्लम होने वाली. So better we stick to this range here. And let me take out this a little. Give me a minute, friends. Let me take this level a little down. Yeah, so from 25,540 to 25,869 और 70, ये एक रेंज ऐसी होगी जहां पे मार्केट वोलेटाइल होगी. अगर 25,540 से मार्केट नीचे जाती है, you should short it for 25,358 and 25,358 पे थोड़ा वॉच आउट करें. अगर यहाँ पे आपको bearish साइन मिलता है या bearish continuation साइन मिलता है, तो 25,146 should be your lower target. 25,146 पे आपको बाइंग नजर आ जाएगी. सो यहाँ पे रिवर्सल मिलेगा आपको फ्रेंड्स. सो या अगर बैंक निफ्टी गैप डाउन स्टार्ट होती है 25,358 पे एंड यहाँ पे आपको रिवर्सल देती है, तो यू शुड स्टार्ट अलोंग फ्रॉम हियर. बट द सेफ बेट वुड बी 25,870 के ऊपर अगर मार्केट सस्टेन करती है फॉर मोर देन 15-20 minutes, then you can possibly initiate your long position, and that position will have a target of 26,234. and ये लेवल अगर टूटता है with a bullish bias and rising volume, then 26,448 should be your next target on bank nifty. Since आज profit booking हुई है banks में, so tomorrow I'm expecting we should see some upside happening in bank nifty. So that's my overall view about bank nifty. And bank nifty का PCR भी थोड़ा bullish bias दिखा रहा है. However, US के कल सुबह तक थोड़े जो भी स्टेट में उनके काउंटिंग चल रही है, क्लैरिटी थोड़ा और ज्यादा हो जाएगी. सो वॉच आउट एट दैट. एज लॉन्ग एज देयर इज अ स्टेबिलिटी इन द गवर्नमेंट, दैट मीन्स देयर इज अ क्लियर विन ऑफ ईदर जो बाइडेन और Donald Trump, there will be stability in the market. Market will go up. In case of any legality or any government, definitely that creates a lot of uncertainty in the market. So market may fall or market may definitely be volatile. So watch out. Fresh data in the morning from the data. The fresh data आप कहाँ से देख सकते हैं? You can see from the future of US 30. That's the Dow Jones का future or S&P 500 plus international market देखें. Apart from that, shouldn't forget about looking at option chain data, as well as if you are stock specific, definitely you should look at open interest of futures of those particular stocks, right? So that's the way you can find out what's happening in the markets and make your trading plan accordingly, right? And if you can't deal with volatility, stay away from the market until the US results are clearly declared, एज वेल एज हमारा जो कल का एक्सपायरी है, क्योंकि वीकली एक्सपायरी तो उसकी वजह से भी हमारा मार्केट थोड़ा वोलेटाइल हो जाता है. सो यू नीड टू बी केयरफुल, राइट? अगर आपको ऑप्शन स्ट्रेटजी आती फ्रेंड्स, डेफिनेटली यू कैन यूज ऑप्शन स्ट्रेटजीज टू हेड योर पोजीशंस. दैट विल आल्सो बी इन योर favor. So I hope with this you are getting benefited and with the right analysis you are able to make profits as well as trade confidently, right? Thank you very much for watching the video. To get latest information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon such that whenever we upload any new video, you get notification, right? To learn stocks, derivatives, commodities, forex trading, investing, technical or fundamental analysis, you can write in the comment box of video that what kind of videos you want, or you can also write in the community tab. Don't forget to watch out our community tab every day, friends. We are sharing the breakouts here. Like today we shared the Concor breakout from the head and shoulder, giving the targets as well. Of course, these are shared for educational purpose. Day before yesterday we shared IndusInd Bank, and you could see that IndusInd Bank was up around 3% today. And yes, also don't forget to take part in stock market की बात MJ के साथ on Saturday. That happens 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. You can log in from Facebook or YouTube. Either way, right? We share a lot of trading and investing ideas, friends, and we want to enrich our trading community. Thank you once again for watching the video and liking the video. Do share the video with your friends and trading community such that they can also be benefited from quality knowledge and analysis. Good luck, happy trading, happy investing, friends.